Okay, so welcome back guys, and for this section let's move further for next level. In the previous tutorial we saw how we can set up background color for specific content or for a whole content, and for this tutorial I want to show you how to set a background image for our website. And for doing that, I'm starting with an define a couple of properties inside CSS. So setting a background image inside your web page, you need to define a properties called background, and inside then type just URL and set a parenthesis, give a quotation, and you have to define your image file name. I have a file name theme.jpg. I kept this file inside the same directory where my HTML document is there, so I don't need to provide a full directory path name. So make sure you kept your file at the same directory. Okay, I forgot to mention body tag because I'm setting a background image for my whole website, and I can do it by only defining it inside my body as a background image. So this image is looking perfect for this background because high resolution. But what about if my image size is not as my browser size? Let me show you same by giving a different example. So I have a next image file. Okay, so here's my image file. Let me clear one thing, the actual image is only that much, and because I'm setting as a background image, so it's going to fill my all the image in all the direction for filling my whole space. That's why it's repeating the same image in different axes and same image in x and y axis for filling the background. Avoiding this repeating, I can define property which is an by setting a background repeat, and the value for it is no repeat. And now I have my actual image without repetition, but it's not a proper background image because you require an image which completely fill your whole space of your website. So for that we need a couple of more properties. First property I'm giving is background position. The value it will take in pixel, and first value is taking from the top how much I want my image from a top 7550 pixel, and the next property is next value how much my image should be from a left side. If I refresh my page, let me rectify one thing. It's the first value is for distance from left side and the second property is from top side. So now I have my image move 50 pixels from a left and 100 pixels from a top, but I want it to be fixed and to be center. So setting as a whole background image, I need to define it as center. The next thing I require is an background attachment, and I'm going to give a value for it is fixed because I don't want to move my background image when I'm scrolling up because it should be fixed. Hope you understand. Refresh it. So now I have an image in center. Last property I require is background size, and value for it is cover. So now my image will look like a background image. So for setting a background image, probably I require this couple of property. First is background path, then repetition, which are setting here is in no repeat, and position, which are defined here is in center, then attachment, which is defined as fixed, and the size is important property for setting as an perfectly as a background image which is covered. So if I want to define, I don't want to write this whole file line contain. Yes, I need to extend this property after my UI is JPG. The second property I define here is in no repeat. I can define here without giving property name background repeat, and the next property rather than define as background position, I can define here true. center, and next is attachment, property name, property value is fixed, and then I don't require this 3 lines. Okay, so let me refresh it and you can see there's no changes because this code will work. So this is how you can set a background image using these 2 lines of code. So this is my second image example. This is my first image example, theme.jpg. Okay, so here it is for your background image tutorial. So that's what I have for this tutorial. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.